Is it possible that skipping a meal can actually be healthier than meticulously planning every bite you take? Welcome to the fascinating world of fasting, where science and centuries-old practices converge to redefine health and wellness. Fasting, as some of you may already know, is the voluntary abstinence from food for a specified period of time. It's a practice as ancient as humanity itself, utilized for spiritual, health, and even political reasons. But only recently has science begun to unravel the intricate benefits it presents to our bodies. So what happens when we fast? When you fast, your body undergoes a series of changes on the cellular level. The first significant change happens around 8 hours after your last meal. Your body depletes the glucose stored in your liver and starts burning fat for energy. This state, known as ketosis, is a natural survival mechanism that humans have relied on for millennia. But the benefits of fasting extend far beyond weight loss. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy. Autophagy is a sort of spring cleaning for your cells. Damaged components are broken down and recycled, potentially reducing the risk of several diseases, including cancer and Alzheimer's. Another benefit of fasting is the increase in the production of human growth hormone. This hormone is essential for muscle growth, fat loss, and the maintenance of healthy metabolic rates. It also helps in skin health and wound healing. Now you may be wondering, why is fasting more important than dieting? While dieting involves restrictions on what or how much you eat, fasting focuses on when you eat. This approach is more in line with our body's natural rhythm. Our ancestors didn't have access to supermarkets or refrigerators. They ate when they could and fasted when they couldn't. Fasting, in essence, is a return to our roots, a way of eating that our bodies understand and appreciate. Moreover, fasting promotes a healthier relationship with food. It teaches us to differentiate between physical hunger and emotional eating, leading to more mindful consumption. Also, unlike most diets which can lead to nutritional deficiencies, fasting does not limit the types of food you can eat. It merely changes the time frame in which you eat them, making it a more sustainable and flexible practice. In conclusion, fasting is not just a trend or a quick fix for weight loss. It's a lifestyle change that promotes overall health and well-being. It's a practice that brings together the wisdom of our ancestors and the findings of modern science. So the next time you're contemplating on that next diet fad, consider this. Maybe it's not about what you eat, but when you eat it. Perhaps instead of counting every calorie, it's time to start counting the hours.